Had we placed our plumbing fixtures in the traditional method by selecting the plumbing fixture and then placing it in the drawing, then modifying it wouldn't be a problem, because we can just select it and move it. But what I want to do in this exercise is look at how things change when we copy our monitoring elements from the architect's file. For this exercise, browse to your Chapter 12 folder and open the file Chapter 1202, Modifying Plumbing Fixtures. In the project browser, scroll down until you can see the Revit links at the bottom of the browser. Select the Basic Office Building.rvt and right mouse click on Reload From, and then browse to your Common folder and select the Basic Office Building Rev A and click on Open. You will get a message saying, warning, an instance of a linked RVT file needs coordination review. This means you actually need to do something. You can ignore the warning, but that means that you're going to miss out on some potential changes to your file. Because I only have my elements visible in this particular view, for this exercise also scroll back up to the top of your project browser and open the Level 2 Architectural Base Plan. In this view, if we scroll into the toilets area, we can now see that we seem to have doubled up on the toilets and washhand basins. To find out what's going on, go to the Collaborate tab and click on Coordination Review. Here we need to select a link, so click on your linked file, and now Revit provides us with some new and unresolved issues surrounding plumbing fixtures. We can see that we've got 4 changes between the Basic Office Building Rev A and my model. I can, of course, just go and select an action and say, move the instance of my toilet to match the one in the architect's file. That's easy, and in the majority of the cases works fairly well. However, it would be a good idea to create a report at this point. This creates an HTML report which we can save and then open so that we can discuss this with the architect and the engineer. Going back through the messages, as we select each one, we can move the instance. Click on Apply. Here's one particular issue that may need a bit more thought though. If I had developed the design further and placed my pipes in here, I'm going to have some fairly substantial rework in order to modify the location of my pipe connections. So this may become a point where rather than accepting it, we either reject it, postpone the issue, or accept the difference until such time as we're ready to go through that process of doing a complete redesign on the pipework. In this instance though, I'll move the instance of all the fixtures, and we now have a coordinated model again.